Hey, welcome back to Life in Every Season. If you're new to our channel, I'm Kelly, my husband is Bruce, and right now we're kind of chronicling the renovation of our new home. We recently moved to Eastern Tennessee. We got a small house with a couple of acres of property just to do a little gardening again and maybe raise some chickens. That's something that we did years ago and I missed it, so I talked Bruce into moving here. We have a beautiful lot. It is really heavily treed and we're going to be taking some of those down, but we're going to take you on along this trip with us in renovating the house, and I hope you enjoy it. It's been a labor of love and it's been very testing of my patience but we'll have a really good end product. So let's get ready and go see it. So part of our renovations of this house was it only had one bathroom. That doesn't seem like a problem for just two people to live here, but we found that it was. So this is one of the first things we had finished. It is our second full bathroom. It's a shower bath. So if you'll follow me, we'll go in and I'll take you a little quick walk around and then we'll show you the process. Yes, it is a tiny bathroom, but it's really functional. We've got a nice shower stall that you can see. This poor shower stall lived outside for a while because of COVID. When I found something, I went ahead and bought it, and that's a whole nother video on how to stage materials for a renovation. We had this gap here, and it's turned out to be really good. Our contractor made these cubbies for us, and the plumbing goes through the wall all the way across, so the boards are actually not attached to the shelving unit. That way, if we need to get into the plumbing, we can just lift the boards out and it's easily accessed. Also, you can see we had a really nice spot where we thought, hey, we could just put shelves there. And so we used some of the tongue and groove pine and the boarding, and it gives us plenty of extra space. There's hubby. This has been, I was really not excited about this, but it's turned out to be a really great addition to this bathroom. It's a utility sink, and we found the whole unit with the faucet on sale. And I can't remember whether it was Lowe's or Home Depot, but we'll figure that out and put that in the notes below. But yeah, it's deep. I've washed clothes in here. My granddaughter and I, we've washed our hair in here because it came with this faucet, and you can spray it, rinse it all off, use it as a regular utility sink. And I will probably end up using this to wash dishes once our other kitchen is demolished, when they start, doing all of that work. So I'm really kind of happy to have that. But this is our new shower bath. We're really happy with it. And here in just a second, we're going to kind of show you the process of how we got to this. There's the bathroom. That was the door that went into a bedroom. This is some of the property.
It was overgrown with trees. The house was dirty. Different states of
repair.
What they called remodel. That's the front room. They left us piles of boards to clean up, trash to clean up, and the house had some mold issues because of those things right there. Do not heat your house solely with unvented gas heaters. They put out about a quart of water vapor for every 20,000 BTUs every hour. So this house was heated solely with those, so it was just filled with mold.
But as you can see, it just was a strange looking house on the inside, and we had to do something to it. The kitchen is very small.
But was in a very large room.
Yes, it was in a huge room. But that's all the counter space we have. That's the refrigerator that came with it. It had to be cleaned.
Found out stainless fronts on those do rust.
Yes.
So there's another process of fixing that. LP tank is out of here. We're not going to use LP gas. We've got to hire professional tree removers. Okay, well here's the process that we've gone through in every room. We wanted to take the sheetrock off, take the insulation out because we knew some of it would be moldy. Plus, we were putting new windows in so you could see the framing. And lastly,
The electrical.
Yep, you could look at all the electrical wiring while you were there. Where I'm standing is just outside the new bathroom, shower bath you saw earlier. The window was moved closer to my right to the corner. The door in that picture is moved down about 1.5 feet or 2 feet.
And you can see he's pulling tons of nails and trying to get that sheetrock down. It's fiberglass insulation that we took down from there, and you'll see in a minute when it comes down what the back of the walls look like. That's what those heaters did to this house.
Yep.
And we did do every mitigation that we needed to for the mold.
Yeah, we found it's actually a natural product, but we dug and I did research and found a Serpro blog, 2 of them, and confirmed there is a product that we found that's made out of the herb thyme. So it's thyme oil, and it's supposed to do an excellent job and be very friendly to people.
You don't have to wear PPE with it, and it makes the mold inert, and you can apply it yourself. You can buy it on Amazon.
So we're going to kind of walk you through. By the way, those curtains really help to keep sheetrock dust down. It's just on a spring-loaded rod. Has been great to close off the house. So you can see this is a bedroom we're in. The dark stuff was where mold stained it, and we're going back with rock wool insulation. That stuff's great. First time using it, it's an R15 and regular 2x4 studs, which measure 3.5 inches deep. And now we're into the office laundry area that you'll see in other videos. So we tore out, this is the most demo we've had. And the electrical box, I tried to insulate in that cavity and yet be able to see the wiring.
Great stuff is your friend sometimes.
Yeah, I get teased by the contractor on how much great stuff we use. But you know, we're trying to air seal the house as best we can with normal, Lowe's windows or Home Depot windows. Not go crazy and buy the top of the line windows and doors, just to get good average windows and doors. Like I say, I'm paying a lot of attention as we're insulating. And then it was during the winter, so it was really cold, and we had taken out some sheetrock. I put cardboard up on the ceiling because we were losing so much heat. And there's another picture. It was shown earlier, but this is the first delivery
Of flooring. The flooring that has moved and moved and moved.
We hope you enjoyed that, and stay tuned. We'll keep trying to give updates as much as we can.
Thank you guys so much, and have a great evening.